Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a Volkswagen Jetta Highline in black with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4-door sedan. It has a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder all-wheel drive, and it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have the heated mirror control located here, and the release for your trunk here. The driver's seat is powered, and your lighting controls are located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have hands-free dialing, as well as you have your dash controls located here that you can toggle through, change the time, things like that. And as well, you have your cruise control, which is located right over here where I've got my fingers. And when we're ready to start up the vehicle, you have your engine start-stop button here, my foot's on the brake, and keys in the pocket. On your dash, any important messages will appear, as well as your odometer reading. And then you can toggle through for your trip as well. When I push the button to the right, it'll do that. So there's your trip, and then back around to your odometer reading. In the center is your air vent, as well as your hazard lights. There's your CD player, and you have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio as well, and there's your volume and tuner. Navigation, you just push on these buttons for the different things. You put in your address and so forth to find your destination. Down below is your climate control. And so then you have also heated seats for driver and passenger, and there's your AC, as well as the front defrost, and you also have rear defrost in this vehicle. There's a 12 volt, there's your engine stop start, automatic shifter, emergency parking brake, a couple of cup holders. I have the armrest open right at the moment, so what you do is you just unclip it underneath, and it's really deep storage in there, as well as a USB outlet, or SD card I should say. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment. You've got a manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, as well as a sunglass holder. And the nice thing about this is you have a sunroof in here, and you just dial it to open it up. And then it'll just power slide open for you for some nice fresh air. Off to the side, you have a grab handle for the passenger to make it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, and side view mirror. The back trunk just below the VW badge has the backup camera, and that will display in your center console inside the vehicle. You also have dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up that trunk, you can do so from inside. The release is in the driver door, or you can click and hold your fob. It powers it open for you, making it easier to get in. It's nice and roomy and carpeted, and you're seeing that pass through in the center there. And as well, you have your release for your 60-40 split on the left and the right of the trunk. When you're ready to close everything up, there's handles again to the left and the right. Put your hand in, pull down, and your trunk is now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. The seats release from the trunk area. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and you actually have a pass-through, so you just unclip that, you can reach into your trunk area. On the floor, there's mats. On the back of the seat, slim pockets. In the center, little cubbies, as well as a 12 volt, and your locking. As well, up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Driver's side fuel cap, chrome accents, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.